Hello, dear colleagues. I'm very pleased to meet you today at this webinar, which is dedicated to the topic of how to evolve your Veeva expertise in a fast and easy way. And during this session, I will highlight how to smoothly enhance your Veeva expertise without any extra efforts. So let us first get acquainted. Let me introduce you myself. My name is Margarita Nefedova, and I'm Senior Partner Relations Manager at Viseven Europe. And now let us dive deeper into the specifics of several Veeva solutions and their integration with eWizard. The enterprise Veeva-powered infrastructure is already in place. And actually, have you ever thought about how is it possible to improve the expertise and start managing all the stuff without extra efforts? Are there things you wish you didn't require an agency for? The smartest of pharma managers and executives have already been asking that question for some time, striving to acquire Veeva expertise, but at the same time, not wasting too much effort on the go. So in such case, let us check how to ensure easier, more transparent and confident work with Veeva. So what points should we take into account in order to be prepared to the unexpected things? First of all, it is commonly required to have some extra knowledge and experience in order to work with Veeva in a most efficient way. The second point, companies usually require some human resources, a person who will be responsible for publishing content, emails or presentations to Veeva. And here comes the third point, extra cost to cover the budget on these responsible people. And what about the solution? Is it already existing and working fine? This is the question. Definitely, of course, there is a solution, and it is eWizard. It's a completely unique platform that covers all aspects of efficient content management. The platform provides lots of winning points that drastically simplify work with Veeva. So let me give you some examples. The first one is it allows to create, edit, localize, update, adapt, and publish your interactive content in a fast and easy way. And all these options are available within one single unique platform. It is also possible to automatically convert different types of files in PDF, PowerPoint, InDesign formats into HTML5 CLM presentation. Also, the platform provides access to global store, the place with lots types of approved content with possibility to adapt and reuse it many times. Very important option is possibility to prepare email templates and presentations and organize remote visits, or how we call it, remotes, and also mobile applications. Here I'd like to notice that remotes are becoming more and more popular as they help to save much time and budget costs on visiting doctors, if, for example, to compare with face-to-face visits. Also, our customers admit that remote visits help them to enlarge the duration of the visit to a doctor up to 30 minutes. The last but not least option that should be highlighted is integration with Veeva and, of course, other systems that helps to optimize the content management across channels. Just a bit note about Viseven integration with Veeva. Actually, we've partnered since 2013 and complement the value of Veeva services within eWizard platform. And now here we can mention several Veeva solutions which we are integrated with. That is, of course, Veeva CRM, Veeva Engaged, Approved Email, and of course CRM My Insights. which is the newest one. And the question now is what other beneficial features can be provided by integration between Veeva and eWizard. So now, if taking Veeva certification level 4 into account, we can mention Veeva CRM compatible content, KPI schemes that can be easily customized, and adaptable monitoring. Now talking about Veeva Vault PromoMats integration, it brings vast choice of possibilities for customers to use the already approved and available media. Once again, it is a two-way synchronization with eWizard, easy search with the help of specialized filters, speeded up process of browsing. It is no longer needed to install or download assets to preview them. By the way, talking about assets, their tags and statuses are pulled directly from Veeva Vault account. And important thing here is possibility to configure different types of roles and permissions. Integration with Veeva approved email provides possibility to create and update email templates easily, speeding up the process. Also, crucial point here is that layouts of the emails can be customized and adapted without any extra knowledge. Even more, eWizard provides lots of templates, building blocks that are also flexible. And last but not least, Veeva Co-Browse. Here we can mention compatible content, possibility to format the already available IRA presentation to co-browse file automatically, and adjustable KPI schemes and custom monitoring, also a part of this particular integration with Veeva Co-Browse. Now, very important is that eWizard ensures turnkey support at the every step during interactive presentations and email creation, starting from the idea, concept, then design, development, and all the test stages, ending with the successful publish to Veeva Vault. And even more, eWizard with Veeva Vault provides two-way integration that I was mentioning before. That is really awesome possibility to add the published content even after it was published, in such a way updating your content. Optimizing manual operations while content publishing to Veeva Vault PromoMats or Veeva CRM with no administrative work required. Yes, it is really as easy as it sounds. So no extra knowledge, involvement of extra professionals that have some level of experience, and that is maybe the most important thing here. Publishing to Veeva is at least 4 times faster with eWizard. Now we can actually check on our own how simple it is. So first of all, the presentation data is filled in automatically. Second of all, it is possible to update slides, records, keeping version control. And really important thing is also that the monitoring is really comprehensive due to Veeva environment setup. So here are some screenshots just for you to see like a short demo of how it is done with the help of eWizard. I mean the publishing process. So on first screen, you will see the process of custom fields setup. So while setting the essential fields, this data is automatically applied to all the slides at once. Here on the second screenshot, you can see that we have picked the related document that is a approved source of your file that your presentation is based on. Here on this slide, you can see that we can choose these slides that we need to publish to our Veeva Vault account. So we can delete them. from this list and choose the needed ones. And here is the process of publish as it is. Actually, the screen shows publishing to the sandbox with the summary and status. So on this screen, you just confirm all this information that you have filled in before in the previous fields. Here, we can track the process of publishing to Veeva Vault. You can check the status of every step from the live progress lines. And finally, here we are. As you see, there is only a few steps required to publish your presentation to Veeva Vault. And in the similar way with Veeva CRM. So it is now publishing completed successfully. The status can be seen on the very bottom of the screen. And now, as our publishing status is completed successfully, we can check these published details with our Veeva Vault account. So here are two screens on the slide. On the top one is Veeva PromoMats administrative panel with details. We actually highlighted name, title, product, and country. And in the bottom is eWizard dashboard, and you can see the same customized details as in Veeva. That's all. At this stage, your content is easily published to Veeva in just a few minutes. Actually, besides such easy Veeva publish, eWizard provides the whole cycle of other marketing across channels, like storing and publishing, conversion to CLM, interactive localization, transparent management, collaboration, KPIs, smooth approval processes, and analytics. Of course, eWizard can be easily plugged into any corporate system. Apart from Veeva Vault multichannel suite, there is also integration with other CRM and CLM systems. Now, content type really matters. In eWizard, you can find support for all the types of content. First of all, the interactive presentations, no matter how you're creating them, either from scratch or convert from the static files. By the way, this second option is possible due to eWizard converter. And also presentations for remote visits are also supported by eWizard, of course. And now let us talk a little bit about Veeva My Insights. Not seeing the output is maybe one of the most worst things while promoting the brand. In life sciences, that field of extra responsible decision-making, detailed insights after each step are, of course, an especially prized possession. Here comes Veeva's recent focus on perfecting the My Insights. In short, the possibility to represent insights from CRM as visually appealing dashboards has already attracted a large amount of departments worldwide to become Veeva users. By visualizing exactly the information an employee needs to make a qualified decision as a set of charts, graphs, circulars, all in a handy, mobile-friendly layout, the insights become more actionable. As some users put it, the dashboard works as a kind of launching pad for tactical moves. And with eWizard, customers can easily create both as pre-configured but also unique dashboards to meet their custom requirements. Of course, eWizard supports all the monitoring, settings, and analytics collection, and it collects all the quantitative and qualitative values. For example, You can track the duration on the slide, the number of slideshows, even likes and dislikes, and also the amount of prescriptions, answer to the questionnaires, and other values according to the CLM and CRM requirements. Moreover, as I have mentioned before, eWizard allows to create and edit email templates and fragments. And with the extensive set of pre-designed email templates and fragments in eWizard, we can deliver targeted interactions on the go, as well as publish them to Veeva CRM approved email for further usage. It is also available to bring more flexibility into your email marketing to access already approved email templates, which are relevant for your specific occasion, and adapt them to target your contacts in a couple of minutes. Alter texts, add links to more detailed production information, product demo, or other online resources, and approved materials from Veeva Vault. Also, improving HCPs engagement rates by providing them available information right at the moment of their need, with the possibility to specify Veeva token to enable personalization. It also allows to keep track of your email's performance. So all the data on the email, open rates, click-through rates, etc. is immediately captured and synchronized into your CRM. So in such a way, you can monitor the efficiency of this communication channel in real time. There is also access to always up-to-date compliant materials in Veeva Vault with the possibility of free usage. And moreover, there is an opportunity to send emails at any time before call, during, or after it directly from the CLM presentation. And in the result, you get live, rich analytics that help to get the holistic view of customer interactions. Of course, eWizard supports the components approach. So what is component? Actually, it is kind of a building block presenting a complete functionality and can be used on slide either independently or in combination with other components. Now talking about the characteristics of this component. It is constituted modular content, but it is really highly customizable. Can be general or unique by nature and functionality, and it can be either static, animated, or interactive. And of course, these components are collected in a library where multiple vendors contribute. And as you can see on the slide, there are some examples of components. For example, patient builder, survey, calculators, some pop-ups, image gallery, and many more. eWizard templating approach unites creative, development, and localization agencies. A master template is a globally approved branded presentation wireframe with projected content, structure, menu controllers, and navigation containing a global guidance for KPI manifesto and naming convention. This global template is shared via eWizard Global Store and is available for affiliates for adaptation and reuse at any time. So now, what about the characteristics of the master template? It has global branding guidelines, unified navigation, wireframes to maximize customer experience. They are cross-platform and cross-device. They are CLM and CRM agnostic. And you can easily and effortlessly localize, adapt, update, and repurpose them. So in conclusion, let us sum up. Here are some hints how to achieve the budget saving and how to benefit with the help of eWizard platform. First of all, usage of eWizard store allows to identify the most efficient content and use it as a base for local assets. Use flexible CLM-agnostic reusable templates and get consistency with global branding and messaging without extra work required. Also use dynamic ready-for-use components for the functionality extension. Effortless localization allows to connect multiple translating agencies for link preview and adaptation. And of course, what is really important is that benefit from integration with corporate ecosystem, any CLM, CRM, as for example, Veeva multichannel suite for seamless content publish. So that is all for this webinar. If you wish to have more detailed or specific demo of eWizard, I will be glad to show you all the features and peculiarities of, for example, publishing the slides to Veeva Vault or creating the presentation or converting any type of functionality. We will be glad to provide you with a demo and answer all of your questions. And if you have any other questions or inquiries, simply write us an email. You can see the contact information on the slide. We will be glad to contact you back. And I would like to thank you for joining us at this webinar today. Have a great day and goodbye.